shelling. I think we passed the big shell pile. Robert does not. It doesn't really matter.
I looked at the map.
Because there are shells everywhere.
Oh, these are wrecked shells.
Oh my God, look at that shell pile.
That's what I'm saying.
Jeez Louise.
I don't think we're there.
Alright, I got my headlamp on.
I refuse to accept it.
You just have to disagree with me. You do, you love disagreeing with me.
Fine, agreeable solo. That one is.
That's just the oyster, but I like oysters. All the houses look alike, that's for sure.
Every one of them has a big tree every 800 feet.
Yes. Look at that shell pile right there. That could have been where everyone was standing earlier.
I don't know.
Oh my God. I thought I was seeing stuff and it was a stick sticking up. This could be the shell pile. I don't know. I feel like, you know, like in St. Louis, when like the gas company puts those flags in,
yeah,
marking like gas lines, we should have brought those flags, so then we can like mark our shell piles that we've been to. I don't know how to mark it.
New collection, mark location.
So we know where we've been. Alright, Robert, figure something out on his phone. Pretty sure the game's back on. We're listening to the Blues game and looking for seashells. Oh, I think we've walked way past it, but that's fine. I do, but listen, it's a beautiful beach. Eventually we'll reach the moon. Isn't that our goal? Isn't that our goal? We're walking towards the moon? No? We've only went half a mile?
Yeah.
I call foul.
I call foul.
Oh, look at that huge one. Look how big that is.
I don't think you know where you're at.
Well, you don't either, so la-di-da-di-da. Shh. I'm PG-13. Ooh, look at that. So many. Oh, so many. No, I stepped on it. I did not step on it.
Oh.
What'd you find, honey bunny? Yes, it is very pretty, stinky, smelly seaweed.
Can we take it home?
Let me see if it smells.
Can we take it home with us?
Oh no, it smells like dead fish. This is why I don't collect that stuff.
Monkey like that.
It smells like dead fish. So I'm sure I've told this story before, but let me tell it again. So one trip, I found a couple dead starfish. They were pretty dead, but they weren't completely like dried out. So I took them home and put them on my deck to dry out. Yeah, the squirrels ran off with them. If you have squirrels, don't try to dry. Ooh, thank you. Don't try to dry out starfish on your deck. I'll be careful where I step. So anything stinky. Like some of my shell garden is kind of contained in one area, and then there'll be shells all over the yard because the squirrels get in and dig out the stinky shells. I try to avoid stinky shells. I'm very good about making sure there's nothing living in the shells, but sometimes they still stink. Cannot be avoided. Oh my god, this is a very big. That would have been a nice one. My eyes were trained to pick out olives. Be careful, Robert. You got it? Oh, thank you. Oh. There's another olive. Yeah, it's broken. Here, would you push this sleeve off? Push it. What were you about to do?
Nothing, I'm falling over.
Oh, I thought you were going to nail them. I don't know what you were going to do. It's fine. Thank you. It's fine. It's fine.
I'm a dog.
I never said you were a dog. You're a little crazy. That's for sure. It's fine, Robert. I think it's
not there yet.
This point. This is how I got lost in Florida. Because I'm like, no, I haven't passed it yet. And then you pass it. Ooh, that's a little cold.
What'd you find?
Nothing. Just an olive. But I'm just saying it's a little cold. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Look at that. Look at that and that. Oh, it's just a top one, but still.
That's a heffalump.
It's a heffalump? I feel like as soon as I kneel down,
You're gonna be in the water?
I'm gonna get like a big old
Hammerhead shark.
big old wave on my butt. Oh my god. I'm sorry, I'm not riding a hammerhead shark. Not in my game. Look at that one. Look how big that one is. Oh, olives everywhere. This is another olive. Oh my god. So many olives. I can't stop picking up olives. Olives. I would like something different than olives, please. Brazilian olives. I think it's just easy to spot olives because they're long and cylindrical. What's the word? Cylindrical. I don't know. Tubular. And so they're different than all the other shells.
Here, I found some you can take home with you.
Thank you, honey.
Two souvenirs.
New souvenirs on the house. Thank you, dear. How wonderful for you to give me 2 shells out of this vast expanse. Wonderful. There's another one. And another one. What is that? Ooh.
What are you finding?
Yeah, but that guy's got... Okay, see?
Somebody sat on it?
Hold on. No, I'm just saying, I'm showing them. This is what you gotta look for. Pretty... That means that's his foot. This guy's still alive. Throwing that one back in. That was his foot that's protecting the body that's inside. He was not an empty.
Dry.
Ooh, there you go. Look at that one. Oh, it's just a piece of it still.
Your light starts to flicker.
What's that mean?
That means that trouble comes
These are pretty.
Dogs gave their lives.
definitely feel like you had too many margaritas.
Well, the ride is moving, so that's a problem.
Alright, well,
But no, I'm going
after this, oh my god, after this never-ending show pile, we are going to turn around.
No, we gotta keep going. There's more.
I know there's more. I'm not turning around this
We're
instant.
not giving up.
But I can't.
We never
carry.
quit. So what's that?
Never surrender.
No, that's a chef. There's one right there.
What's, oh, there it is. Thank you, Minnie. What is that? Never surrender, never, what's the second part? I can never,
I don't know.
never
The great
surrender,
Tim Allen said it.
never give up. Who knows? I must have the Galaxy Quest. Thank you. It's like
Here's another
two
one.
parts of the screen.
I like it. Oh, I smell fire.
I'm sure there is a lot of people on the beach. Oh wait, right there, it's right there.
And they invented papyrus. There you go.
Oh my god.
Spaceship Earth,
Oh my
baby.
god, it smells so good. Someone's outside grilling. Let's go ask them if I can have a marshmallow. Smells like someone's roasting marshmallows.
I don't know, marshmallow.
I almost marshmallow.
On a stick.
That does sound good.
Front outside.